How to automatically optimize your phone for viewing videos on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, from the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on modes and routines. In here, tap on the routines tab, then tap on the discover button. Now tap on all routines. And then in here, we scroll down and tap on streaming video. In here, select an app that you want to use. By default, it is set to YouTube. So tap on open app, opened. And you can add in multiple apps. So in here, I can choose Amazon Prime Video or Prime Video in here if I can find it. So if I scroll down, so we've got primary video. Add in any other app that you want to optimize for video viewing. So we've got YouTube, we've got Prime Video. If you've got Netflix, you can add it in here as well. I don't think I have Netflix. I do have Netflix, so we can add it to the list. Then tap on done. So anytime when you are viewing YouTube, Prime Video, or any other selected apps, then your phone will optimize your device by turning on Wi-Fi, set Dolby Atmos to auto on, automatically turn on do not disturb while you are viewing video to avoid interruption. And here we set your screen orientation to auto rotate. So when you are done with watching the videos, all of these settings will be switched off. Now tap on saved, and that's it. So we have now added an automatic routines for streaming video. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.